Have you ever wished you could see people for who they really are, without them saying a single word? Not because you want to judge them, but because you want to protect your peace. Because let's face it, in this world, not everyone has your best interests at heart. Some wear masks better than they wear honesty. But what if I told you, you can learn to read people like a book without them even knowing? Today, I'm going to reveal how you can uncover someone's true intentions, hidden emotions, and secret thoughts, all by noticing what most people never see. 1. Body language secrets. The unspoken truth you see. People always tell the truth with their body, even when their mouth is lying. A person who crosses their legs as soon as they sit down usually carries strong ambition in their spirit. They don't relax easily. They're always ready to move forward. Someone who touches their chin while speaking, they're cautious. They calculate. They measure every step. If their arms cross their chest, they may seem strong-willed, but don't be surprised when their stubbornness becomes resistance. Ever seen someone look surprised for a little too long? Over 3 seconds? That shock is fake. They're acting. And here's something powerful. If they mirror your body language, your posture, your gestures, it means they feel connected. They're engaged. They want the interaction to continue. But beware. A person who laughs at everything, even the dumbest jokes, is often covering deep loneliness. And if their tone, that inner voice, goes up and down with emotional shifts, they're likely interested in you. Pay attention. Reading people is not magic. It's awareness. It's listening with your eyes and observing with your heart. 2. Psychological tactics, influence without force. Let's go deeper. Let's talk about influence, not manipulation, but understanding. If you want to guide situations, build trust, and protect yourself from being deceived, learn these psychological tools. The foot in the door technique. Start small. Ask for a little favor first. Once they say yes, they're far more likely to say yes again. The scarcity principle. Make it clear something is limited. Time, opportunity, attention. People value what's rare. Establish authority. Don't brag, but carry your knowledge with quiet confidence. People listen to those who seem sure. The contrast principle. Want someone to accept something tough? Show them something even harder first. Suddenly, your real request won't seem so big. Frame positively. Instead of, "I need your help," say, "I'd love your help." It changes the entire energy of the ask. These techniques don't just make you persuasive, they make you aware of how others try to influence you. 3. Subtle life hacks for awareness and control. Want to stop someone from talking too much? Drop something, your keys, a pen, and as you pick it up, say what you need to say. It shifts the power. Want attention in a crowded place? Look up at the sky and act shocked. Watch the ripple effect. It's psychology at play. Someone bullying you? Laugh at them. Seriously. Laughing disarms their ego. It shows you're not afraid, and that breaks their illusion of control. Someone yelling at you? Don't yell back. Say, "Having a bad day?" That phrase cuts through their anger like a blade of calm. And remember this, when someone says sorry, don't just say no problem. Say thank you, because you're holding them accountable and they won't forget it. 4. Protect your soul. Spot the dangerous ones. Now let's talk about protection, because no matter how good your heart is, not everyone deserves access to it. There are people out there who hide knives behind smiles. The one who insults you but says, "Relax, it's just a joke." The one who never takes accountability but blames you for everything. The one who says they want what's best for you but sabotages you every step of the way. The one whose words say love, but whose actions scream betrayal. You can't trust someone who plants seeds of doubt in your heart, disguised as concern. You can't trust someone who creates chaos and always has a perfect excuse for why it's not their fault. So what do? You learn to see clearly. You listen with your soul. You stop giving repeated chances to people who repeatedly disappoint you. Once was a warning, twice was a lesson, and the third time, that's not their fault anymore. That's on you. 5. Emotional pain and the power of letting go. You ever been lied to by someone you loved? It hurts. But you know what hurts more? Knowing you wanted to believe them, even when you knew the truth was different. Catching someone in a lie doesn't stop them from lying again. Because most people don't lie because they hate you. They lie because they think the truth isn't enough. So what do? You stop waiting for honesty from dishonest people. You set a limit in your heart. You say, I'll forgive you, but I will never forget what I learned from you. Because trust is not a reset button, it's a ladder. And once it breaks too many times, it doesn't hold weight anymore. 6. Guard your energy. Choose your circle wisely. Remember, people who gossip with you will gossip about you. People who stir up drama in your life usually have nothing happening in their own. People who bring storms into your peace will cry like victims when it rains. So what do? You protect your space. You cut off what drains you. You don't beg people to stay. You don't explain yourself to those committed to misunderstanding you. You build a circle with those who match your energy, not your ego, your energy, call to action and reflection. So let me ask you, what if, from this day forward, you stopped giving people the benefit of the doubt and started giving yourself the benefit of clarity? What if you listened with more than ears and saw with more than eyes? Because the truth is, people are always showing you who they are. You just have to be brave enough to see it. Remember, read their body, notice their tone, track their patterns, trust their actions, and most of all, guard your heart, because the right people will never need to be read. They'll write love and loyalty on every page of your life without ever needing to be asked. If you found power in this message, share it. Someone out there needs to hear this today. Like, subscribe and follow this channel for more truth, more wisdom, and more strength for your journey. You're not alone, you're not blind, and you're not broken. You're just learning to see the world as it truly is, so you can finally live as you truly are.